area of triangle. Okay, so a shop owner had 90 kilogram of rice. He sold 1/3 of the rice to a restaurant and packed 3/5 of the remaining rice equally into 12 packets. How many kilograms did each packet of rice weigh? Let's do step by step from the first sentence. I know that it's supposed to be 2 kg. Okay, she said it's 2 kg, so not this. All right. So I know that I have this shop owner have a total of 90 kg of rice. He sold 1/3 of it. If you want to use fraction of method, we can simply take 1/3 of the 90 kilogram to find how much he sold, right? I can do this method, which is the fraction of, or I can do the model method by drawing out the model, 3 parts, and these 3 parts are my total rice, which is 90 kilogram, and what happened? 1 part was sold, okay? So there's these two method. One is fraction of method. One is via the model or the units method. Okay, so let's do the fraction of method first. Later on, we do the model method. Okay, let's do the fraction of method first. So this is simply 90/1. So I told you that you need to go crosswise first. See, anything can be simplified crosswise. So it'll be 90 and 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 90 divided by 3 is 30. So I have 30 kg that was sold. Then from there, I know that I will have remainder. When I sell something, I will have remainder, right? And my remainder will be, remainder is when I minus. I have my total 90 kilogram. Take away what I sold. This is my total. This is what I sold to get my remainder, 60 kilogram. Am I happy with the 60 kilogram? What happened? 3/5 of the remaining rice were packed equally. So this is my remaining rice. This is my remaining rice. But not everything was packed. I only packed 3/5. So let's say packed is actually 3/5 of remaining rice equals to 3/5 of means times remaining is this 60 kg over 1 equals to. So I look crosswise first, right? So 5 and 60 divided by 5 is 5, divided by 5 is 1, the 60 divided by 5 is 12. Then row wise 12 times 3 is 36 kg. So I pack 36 kg into 12 packets equally, right? So each packet. So how do I find each packet? So 36 divided by 12 packets. 36 kg divided by 12, okay? Equals to 3 kg. So answer is not 2, but 3 kg. Now let's do the other method, the model method. I have 2 methods here, right? So over here, we know that 3 units represent 30. 3 unit is 30. 1 unit is 30 divided by 3, 10 kg. Now, do I want my 1 unit? Do I want what is sold? No, I don't want that. I do not want my sold, but I want my remainder. This is what I want. My remainder is how many units? 2 units. So 2 unit will be, why is it 30? Yeah, your careless mistake. 3 unit is 90. 1 unit is 90 divided by 3. I get 30 kg. Okay. 2 unit is 30 times 2, 60 kg. So this is my remainder, right? But I do not want my remainder because not everything is packed. Only 3/5 was packed. So this remainder, what I can do, I can redraw another model. So this is my remainder. This is remainder. My remainder, I pack it up into 3/5 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 3 parts were packed. Okay, and I know that the whole thing here is 60 kg. So this is 5 units. So 5 unit is 60. 1 unit is 60 divided by 5. I get 12 kg. Now I want to find the one that I packed. I want to find the one that I packed. That will be 3 unit is 12 times 3. 36 kg. Now, I want to know how much did each packet weigh. Same thing, 36 divided by 12 equals to 3 kg. Can you see that the answers are the same, just that 2 different methods? Okay? Okay, so this is the answer given by our friend. We're going to check whether 2/7 is right or wrong. The figure shows 2 identical overlapping rectangles. So the 2 rectangles are the same. This is rectangle number 1. Right, and then this is rectangle number 2. So you can see that they are the same, they're overlapping. Okay, and the overlapping part is this one, the gray shaded or the blue shaded one as I shade it. Okay, so I want to actually find out what fraction of the figure is not shaded. So if you can see from the diagram, you can see that, let me see, this is it. Okay, we're gonna cut out like that. Can you see? Can you see that there are 4 parts for that rectangle already? Okay, and I'm gonna cut. I'm trying to cut equally. Wait now, let me see. Okay. So there's this one. I hope this is equal enough. Okay. Right. Can you see? Now, if you look at this, how many equal parts are there? There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. How many part is shaded? Just this one part is shaded, right? So if I say shaded, it will be 1/7. Yeah, only 1/7 is shaded. So not shaded will be 1 whole minus 1/7. That will be 7/7 minus 1/7. 6/7. You can check also how many parts not shaded by counting. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 out of a total of 7 parts. So this is the answer for part A. Okay, so not this. Now part B, find the area of the parts of the figure that are not shaded. So for one rectangle, let's look at one rectangle. Area means if I'm looking at this big rectangle area. And then what happened to this big rectangle? I cut it into 4 parts already. Can you see? Okay, so let's find for part B, area of one big rectangle equals to 16 times 8. And I will get 16 times 8. 128 centimeter squared. Do I want the big rectangle? No. Now let's take the 128, the big rectangle, divided by the 4 equal parts, right? So area of one small rectangle. You know where the small rectangle is? The small rectangle is this, each of them. Okay, so I take 128 divided by 4, right? And I'll be getting 32 cm squared. Now, how many parts? Is the area of the parts that are not shaded? How many not shaded just now? Remember we counted, we have 6 not shaded parts. So area of not shaded parts will be 32 cm squared times 6. And The answer will be 32 times 6. 192 centimeter squared. Answer. Okay.